Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to download Waze app on your device. So as we know that Waze is a navigation app that provides real-time traffic updates, faster routes, turn-by-turn directions, alerts for hazards, speed time traps and road conditions. So to download this app you need to watch this video till the very end. So first thing, you need to go to your app store, or if you are an Android user you need to simply go to your Play Store and download it. We need to go to our app store. After clicking on that, this is the very first home page of our app store, and at the very below there are the various options. We need to select the option search at the bottom left. After clicking on that, you need to search the app which you are in need of, which is Waze app. Here you can see the Waze navigation and live traffic app, and now here you can see the Waze navigation app. And to get this app you need to simply click on the option get, which is in color blue. After clicking on that, you need to verify yourself. So this is how your app is ready to download on your device, and after download you need to simply complete, and once you are downloaded you need to simply tap the option open and you can. So this is how you can download your app on your device. So hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.